Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm gonna teach you or lecture you guys one of the most important setups that have helped me in my trading career completely. What that simply is basically change state of delivery, which many call CSD. Combine that with inversion fair value gaps or inversion imbalances. For example, this is imbalance, this is a gap, the market inverted, so I close below it. Example, right? Now we are now on a hourly time frame, and I just want you to guys look where is a good setup. It's not only one setup here in order to capture higher moves. Now I cannot go higher because picture the market went way higher. Now, where is a good setup or entry will be here. I'm not a day trader. I'm not a long-term trader. I'm not a swing trader. I'm an intraday trader. I trade on minutes. Now, I'm just explaining to you on hourly time frame. Now, guys, trading is fractal. That is what makes beautiful. No matter if you trade on seconds or on weekly time frames, it's all same. If you learn a entry model, if you have a edge strategy, that will work on every time frame, especially this one, the one I will teach you guys. Now, guys, what is a good entry? I want you to give you a few seconds, and then I will put on the lipsticks on. Now, this is where I marked the imbalances out. Now, first, let's start with here. This imbalance is important. Why? Because with that imbalance, without candle, we took out this lows, this sell side. Plus, went higher, we inverted that. How did we invert it? Because the candles close above. Candle club close above the body here. Alright. That creates the CISD or CSD, change in state of delivery. That is what it stands for. The market change in states of delivery changes its states basically. Now reverse. Now you see during this move higher we created few gaps. This, few this ones plus imbalances, etc. Now, where you're probably asking, where shall I enter in this gap? Should I wait for market to trade in this, or this, whatnot, right? No, whenever we have a gap here and on the left side as well, such as this gap and this gap, always mark this side out because the market will always tend to respect this one more than this one, such as this gap and this gap. The market traded into this one. Also this, but this is more probable. Same thing with here. Mark this one out. Not all of them. The market respected, traded in, went higher. Then came down, keep respecting it. See that? Plus, check out this low. And then move higher. Created an imbalance. Went higher up. Change state. Come back. Tap in. You can also say this is an order block. Alright, but see how the market or see how the price is respecting it and then moves higher, creating a imbalance or fair value. Why did I mark this out? Why was the market respecting once and then twice and then respecting a high? Because this one is important. Why? Look at the left side. We took out this buy side's liquidities with that candle, with that gap. As soon as we took out with this candle, we created a gap, extend that, and not this one, and not this one, not this one. These are not important gaps, and not this one. Market trading, go lower into where? Into this order blocks. I will say I will probably make a video about lecture about order blocks as well. And now today is about inversion balances and change state of deliveries. As you can see, change state we're higher, traded down into where? Into this gap. Then move higher. Change state, market's not trading in. Some people will chase the market and then go long here, but no, the market it's in premium. We're waiting for the discount. Market came down, you could be buying right here, probably pyramiding right there, and then markets move higher. See how beautiful? Now this is on hourly time frame. Now let's go to the 1 minute. This is 1 minute time frame. Yep, naked chart. Now 9:30. This is 9:30 candle. This one right before the black candle, the white one. Market open. All right. Before explaining, guys, I want you to look where will be a good entry. By the way, this is a 1 minute time frame. It's the same thing, same strategy, same implementation on the higher time frame as well. Everything is same. That's a beautiful part. Chain state and imbalances, inversion imbalances, all are fractal. Everything's fractal. Now, where would you go long here? Especially me personally, I go after 9:30. I trade. I don't trade before. Well, it depends. It depends on the day. There are some days 8:30 there are news, etc. I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Let's put on some lipsticks. Now, like I said, this candle 9:30. With what is this? This is a first presented fair value gap. This is a gap, or and then it turned into inversion fair value gap. Beautiful, guys. Before going into here, let's see here. Usually, I don't want as a new trade. I don't want you to trade before 9:30. It's kind of choppy. Trade only after. It's way beautiful. Yeah, you see, this are some entries, etc. Now 9:30 open, creating imbalance. Market trade lower into where? Into first of all, the body are respecting this candle. Why? This gap imbalance. See how the body respecting it? Market the wicks do the damage. The body tells a narrative or tells a story. The wicks respecting this gap. There's a gap. Why? Check out that. Oops, kinda whatever. Chain state, and here also chain state. And then market as soon market went higher, we create an imbalance, a mini imbalance, very small. I don't know if I can. Yeah, I can zoom in. See, market traded in. Market trading went higher, really high. Now, if you didn't capture this, you can wait. Market to the chain state. When is the chain state? You see the body, not the wick. Some people pick the wick. I don't pick the wick. I pick the body. The body candle close above. It's kind of late. Look at the time. I usually want to. Well, it depends. 9:15. Create this gap higher. Trade lower. Now, if you want to take to an advanced level, if you want to take the next level, you see the gap? Now, I want you to mark a consequent encouragement of that. In fact, look at this first present fair value gap in the middle part, the consequent encouragement, the 50% of it. Beautiful, rally higher into an imbalance. Now, guys, I think that's it. I hope you got something, some value from this. Let me know if you want some more lecture about this. But it's all matter of practice. Practice every day. Go into the charts. Go to live, especially market. Do back test. Journal. Keep a study journal, note, file, whatever it is. And yeah, let me know what question you have or what my next video. What else you want to learn? Leave a like, subscribe. See you next time. Be safe.